Hi, accelerator principle shows how small change in consumption leads to much large change in investment. Accelerator principle shows how small change in consumption leads to much large change in investment. Change in consumption 10. This change in consumption leads to 100 change in investment. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10. This 10 will be called accelerator coefficient. Initial consumption 100, new consumption 110. Moving from 100 to 110 means 10% change in consumption. Initial total demand for capital goods means investment 10, new 20. Moving from 10 to 20 means 100% change in investment. So here you can see 10% change in consumption leads to 100% change in investment. So we can say that accelerator principle shows how small change in consumption leads to much large change in investment. Now we will see how small change in consumption leads to much large change in investment. Pizza shop with 10 ovens produce 1000 pizzas. That means initial consumption demand is 1000. Every year one oven breaks. That's why every year they need to buy one new oven in order to replace. Now suppose 10% increase in demand. 10% of 1000 is 100. They need to produce 100 pizzas more. In order to produce 100 pizzas more, they need to buy one new oven. Earlier total demand for capital goods was equal to 1 just for replacement, but now they need to buy one more oven. So here you can see total demand for capital goods increase from 1 to 2. Our investment increase from 1 to 2. 100% change in investment. So here you can clearly see 10% increase in consumption leads to 100% increase in investment. So we can say the accelerator principle shows how small change in consumption leads to much large change in investment.